going to be creating a spring-themed pillow, and I thought I'd share the process with you. I'm using an IKEA pillow cover, wildflower seeds, and G4L from our grain sack stripe collection. The midsections of the pillow have been marked off, and now I can go ahead and use the registration marks on the stencil to further position. A plastic bag was inserted inside the pillow cover so the paint doesn't bleed to the other side. I'm going to be using Fusion's Ash. So I'm going to go ahead and load the paintbrush, then offload most of the paint to create a dry to the touch stencil brush. Now I'm ready to stencil. Since all fabrics are a little different, it pays to do a bit of a test run. So I have done that with seeds, and I've found a bit of a tapping and then a slight twirl helps embed the paint into this particular fabric. It's a little more textured, so this helps. Let's see how we've done. Oh my goodness. Absolutely perfect. Since I desire to put grain sack stripes on both sides of the logo, I had to get creative with this pillow because it has ties in the back. So I cut a board to fit inside the pillow to leave myself with a nice smooth surface to work on. My preference when using the grain sack stripes is to use long swipes as opposed to tapping. So I'll hold my hand fairly close to where I'm stenciling and just go the length of the stripe as much as you can. Gorgeous.